Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dhaval, can we start with the Omkaram? Sairam? Dhaval, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Can start with the Omkaram.
Yes, ma'am. Om. Om. Om.
Sairam. Thank you, Dhaval. Yes. Last time we did the reading of the supplementary third chapter, The Shepherd's Treasure. Today, before we start with the question answers, we will see a nice video about this. Okay, so that again you can, it's a recap for you children, and we'll see one small video about it. Actually, this is a role play. Okay, small class role play. Students of your age are doing it. Okay.
Once there lived a shepherd in Iran. He was very poor and uneducated, but he was very wise. Many people approached him for advice. He became famous. The king heard about his wisdom, so he disguised as shepherd and led him. Welcome, sir. Welcome to my humble dwelling. Thank you. Can I rest for a while? Surely. Make yourself comfortable. You can share my food. They talked to each other for hours. The next morning, the king decided to leave. Thank you for your kindness. What a poor child. I have a long way to go. Permit me to leave. Thank you, Your Majesty, for paying me a compliment of your visit. Oh, I'm surprised. How did you recognize me? I'm impressed by your visit. I appoint you as the governor of a small district. I am ready to serve you, Your Majesty. The other governors grew jealous about the new governor's fame and popularity among the public. They decided to go to the king. Your Majesty, we would like to tell you something about the new governor. Yes, tell me. We strongly believe the new governor is honest, elect. He said that he collected as tax from the people. We have noticed that he always carries an iron chest with him. We are sure the iron chest contained the treasure which he collected from the public. At first, the king did not pay attention to the words of the governors, but he could not ignore them completely. So, he called the new governor to the palace. Call the governor right now. Your Majesty, why did you ask for me? Why do you carry this iron chest with you every day? What does it contain? In this iron chest, there isn't anything much in it. You can see by yourself.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
You are a governor, and why do
Ma'am,
you carry?
everyone is saying in the chat box that the video is lagging so much.
Okay, it's lagging. Okay, then I'll just close this and I'll
Yes,
put
ma'am.
something else. Okay, fine. Beta, during the rains, this problem will be there of internet.
Dear son, The Shepherd's Treasure is an Iranian folk tale. A folk tale is a story which passes on from generation to generation.
Is this one okay, Mahesh?
Yes, ma'am.
It can be jewelry, it can be gems, it can be property, or anything valuable. But here, the shepherd had a different kind of treasure. What was that treasure? Let's see in the story the shepherd's treasure. In a village in Iran, there once lived a shepherd. Who is a shepherd? A person who tends and rears sheep. That means who takes care of sheep. Iran is a country in Western Asia. Its capital is Tehran. Now, the shepherd was very poor and he did not even have a small cottage of his own. Cottage means a small house. So he did not even own a small house. He had never been to school or learned to read and write because there were very few schools in those days. In those days, the number of schools were very less. So he didn't go to school. This shepherd was poor and uneducated, but he was very wise. He understood people's sorrow and troubles and helped them face their problem with courage and common sense. He used to understand people's problem and he used to tell them to face those problems with courage and using their common sense. And people used to come him for this, for his advice. And soon he became famous for his wisdom. Wisdom means intelligence and friendly nature. He was very friendly also. Now, the king of the country also heard about him and he thought of meeting this person. Disguised as a shepherd and riding on a mule. Disguise means having changed one's appearance in order to conceal one's identity. So, if someone changes his appearance, his looks, in order to hide his identity, that is called disguised. And riding on a mule. Mule is an offspring of a male donkey and female horse, something between donkey and horse. So disguised as a shepherd and riding on a mule, the king of the country one day came to the shepherd's cave to visit him, to see how wise he is. As soon as the shepherd saw that a traveler was coming towards his cave, he rose to welcome him. Rose means he stood up to welcome him. And he took that tired traveler inside his cave and gave him water to drink and shared his own meager meal. Meager means very small quantity. He already had a very small quantity of food that also he shared with the traveler. Now the king rested in this cave for the whole night and he was greatly impressed. He was pleased by the shepherd hospitality. Hospitality is friendly and warm reception, friendly treatment, and his wise conversation. The king was really impressed with this person. Although the king was tired, he decided to depart. Depart means to move away from someone, to go away from someone. So the king away the next morning and he told the shepherd, "Many thanks for your kindness to poor traveler. I have a long way to go. Permit me to leave." So the king asked the permission to leave. Now the shepherd looked straight into the king's eyes and said, "Thank you, your majesty, for paying me the compliment of a visit." Compliment means appreciation, a good remark. So the shepherd thanked the king, calling him your majesty. That means the shepherd had recognized that the traveler was none other than king. Now the king was astonished. Astonished means surprised, as well as pleased. Pleased means happy. The king was surprised and happy, and he said, "He indeed is a very wise person." And the king thought to himself, "I need to keep people like him to work for me." Indeed is a word that we use to emphasize a statement. The king appointed this humble shepherd as governor of a district. Humble is someone who is modest, who is not arrogant. Now, although he rose to power and dignity, this shepherd, he rose to power and dignity. Dignity means respect. He became powerful and he got respect also. But the shepherd remained humble as ever. People love and honored the shepherd, this person, for his wisdom, sympathy, and goodness. Sympathy means to understand others' situation. So people used to love him for his wisdom, his sympathy, and his goodness. This person was kind and just to all. He treated everyone equally. And his fame, he became famous as a fair and wise governor. His fame soon spread throughout the country. Now the governor of other provinces, provinces means other state, they grew terribly. Terribly means very much jealous of the shepherd and they began to talk to the king against him. So they began to fill the king's ears against the shepherd. They used to tell the king that this person is very dishonest and he keeps for himself a part of money that he collects as tax from other people. And they also said that why did he carry an iron chest with him always? Iron chest is a small iron box. They said perhaps maybe he is carrying that iron chest because he keeps the treasure in that iron chest that he had collected. So this is how they filled the ears of the king, telling him that he probably keeps treasure in that iron chest. After all, they said mockingly. Mockingly means making fun of the shepherd. They said, after all, he was an ordinary shepherd and he cannot behave in any better way. Now, at first, the king did not pay attention to such kind of reports, but how long could he ignore these governors' endless stories about the shepherd? And one thing was certain that the king discovered. Discovered means found out. He discovered one thing, that this shepherd, this governor, did carry an iron chest with him all the time. So one day, the governor was summoned. Summoned means called to the palace. Now the governor came riding on his camel, and to everyone's delight, everyone's happiness, those who were against the shepherd. To everyone's happiness, the iron chest was there, fastened securely. Fastened means tied. It was tied on the back of the camel. Now seeing this, the king got very angry and he thundered. Thundered is an expression of showing anger. He shouted, "Why do you always carry that iron chest with you? What does it contain?" Hearing this, the governor smiled and he asked his servant to bring the iron chest. Now people were waiting eagerly to see treasure coming out of the chest and the shepherd to be caught by the king. But how great was their astonishment! They were greatly surprised, and even the king himself was surprised when the chest was opened. There was no silver or gold or jewel in it, but an old blanket that came out of that iron chest. Holding this proudly, the shepherd said to the king, "This, my dear master, is my only treasure. I always carry it with me. So what was in the chest? There was an old blanket. That was the shepherd's treasure. Now the king was surprised and he said, "Why do you carry such an ordinary blanket with you? You are a governor of a district." To which the shepherd replied with dignity, "The blanket is my oldest friend. It will protect me. If at any time your majesty should wish to take away my new cloaks." What are cloaks? A sleeveless outdoor overgarment that hangs loosely from the shoulder. The royal people wear these cloaks. These are costly clothes. So that the shepherd meant that if you ever thought of taking away all my costly clothes, this blanket will protect me.
Ma'am, attendance.
He was very pleased.
I'll just pause over here and I'll take the attendance. Thank you, Mahesh.
And other jealous governor were very embarrassed. Embarrassed means a feeling of shame and awkwardness on the wise reply of this wise man. Now they came to know, they indeed knew that the shepherd was indeed the humblest and wisest man in the whole land. And that very day, the king made him the governor of a much bigger district. So the king rewarded him by making him the governor of a much bigger district. What is the moral that we get from the story? That one should never forget his roots. Wealth and power comes and goes, but real treasure is that which has been with us through our thick and thins. Thick and thins means good and bad times. Now let's see some question answers.
Okay. So are you people ready with the question answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And see here, what is the moral of the story? That actually मैं हिंदी में थोड़ा explain करती हूँ कि हमें कभी भी अपनी जड़ों को नहीं भूलना चाहिए. मतलब हम कहाँ से आए हैं, हम कैसे इस टाइप के इंसान बने हैं. क्या होता है usually what happens is when people get wealth or फेम मीन्स नाम हो जाता है, थोड़ा सा सक्सेस मिल जाती है, तो वो भूल जाते हैं कि वो किस जगह से आए हैं और कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ी उसके लिए, एंड दे स्टार्ट मिसयूजिंग दैट पावर और मनी. दैट इज वाई स्टेटिंग वेल्थ एंड पावर कम्स एंड गोज, मतलब आना जाना लगा रहेगा, बट अपने आप को नहीं भूलना चाहिए हमें. रियल ट्रेजर इज व्हाट हैज बीन with us through the spelling over here is wrong, through our thick and thin, मतलब हमें कभी भी भूलना नहीं चाहिए कि हम कैसे बने हैं उस टाइप के, और बुरे वक्त में और अच्छे वक्त में. So here you see this, and yes, first question. Okay, first I'll give the chance to Pravanshika. Pravanshika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read the first question.
मैम स्क्रीन पे कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है.
अच्छा, you have a textbook?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then I'll put this only. Fine.
Then bad times. Now let's see some question answers. The shepherd had a
Okay, can you read this? Is it too small?
Yes,
Which-
ma'am. I will read this.
मैम लेकिन अगर हम उधर डबल क्लिक करेंगे तो वो जूम हो सकता है.
अच्छा भाई, ये तो और हो गया. नहीं, मैंने इसको क्लिक ही किया हुआ था बेटा. दिस इज
नो मैम, अगर आप नहीं, जैसे हम करेंगे तो होगा जूम.
okay. Okay, then others please double click so that yes, it's zoomed and you can read it properly.
Ma'am,
Now
we have to write these answers only.
नहीं, हम देखते हैं, आप अपना पढ़ोगे और फिर हम इसको भी पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Pravanshika, read the first question.
Yes, ma'am. The shepherd had not been to school because, first, he was very poor. Second, there were very few schools in those days. Third, he was not interested in study. Choose
Which is the right?
First,
Hmm.
he was very poor.
No, beta, it's written clearly in the first paragraph of the chapter that there were very few schools in those days. हाँ, वो poor तो था, but main reason ये था कि schools ही उस time बहुत कम थे. Okay? उस पुराने जमाने में बहुत कम schools थे. Or you can do one thing, you can choose both of them because both are technically right. Okay? Fine. Thank you, Pravanshika. And Pravanshika, here you can read the shepherd hadn't. Short form had not. Don't tell this as had not. Pronounce it as hadn't. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second one, Vedansh, read the second question.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I had book, so ma'am, can I read?
You can read. Yes, yes, yes.
Who visited the shepherds one day and why?
Do you have your answer?
Yes, ma'am. The king of the country came to the shepherd's house because he
Because he. Yes, Vedansh. You're finding the answer right now.
ma'am, his mic is mute.
Vedansh, unmute your mic.
Ma'am, he say on chat my mic is not opening.
Okay, fine. Someone else? Dhaval, do you know the answer?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Yes, Devanshu, you can answer. Tell the answer.
The king visited the shepherd one day because he heard lots of about the shepherd and he want to know more about the shepherd.
Yes, very good. Okay, now Devanshu, read this one also. What is written?
Yes, ma'am.
Second one. Read the one that is visible on the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
The second answer.
The king of the country visited the shepherd one day because he had heard a lot about his wisdom and he wanted to see it himself.
Yes, he wanted to see himself. मतलब वो खुद चेक करना चाहता था कि ये जो इतना गरीब बंदा है ये इतना फेमस कैसे हो रहा है, वो सही में वो इतना इंटेलिजेंट है क्या, मतलब वो चेक करना चाहता था ये कौन है और क्या इतना जो इसके बारे में नाम हो रहा है वो खुद चेक करना चाहता। दैट इज व्हाई इट्स रिटन ही वांटेड टू सी इट हिमसेल्फ, अपने आप देखना चाहता था। किसी मिनिस्टर को या अपने किसी जूनियर को नहीं भेजा उसने चेक करने के लिए, उसने खुद अपने आंखों पर और अपने दिमाग पे विश्वास किया। ओके, थैंक यू देवांशु। Others, if you want, you can note down this answer also. Yes, third one, Mahesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, will you read this third one?
Yes, ma'am. Why did the other governors grow jealous of the shepherd? The common shepherd was appointed the governor of a small district. He was loved and honored by the people. His fame spread far and wide, so the governors of other provinces grew jealous of him.
Yes, very good. You can read this answer also. Your answer is perfectly correct, but read this also, third one.
The other governors grew jealous of the shepherd because he was loved and honored for his wisdom, sympathy, and the goodness, and his fame as a fair and wise governor spread throughout the country.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. And if you check, these three words are written in the chapter: his wisdom, sympathy, and goodness. It is sympathy. Okay. Thank you, Mahesh. Fourth one, Manav, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read the fourth one.
Why was the new governor called to the palace? The jealous governor poisoned the king's ears against the new shepherd governor. This reported that the new governor was dis- dis- he always carried his ill-gotten treasure in an iron chest. So the king called him to reveal the truth.
Okay. To reveal the truth. Reveal hota beta. Reveal. Okay. Now read this one also, Manav.
Yes, sir. The new governor was called to the palace because the king could no longer ignore the complaints of the shepherd from other governors, and he wanted to inquire the reasons for him carry an iron chest.
Okay. For carrying an iron chest. Okay. Thank you, Manav. Okay. Cherry, can you do the fifth one?
Yes, ma'am. Why was everyone delighted to see the iron chest on the camel's back? Those who were present in the palace thought that the iron box contained valuables. If their report proved true, the king would dismiss the shepherd. So they were delighted. They waited and so they were delighted.
Okay. Now read this one.
Everyone was delighted to see. From the screen is not visible.
It's not visible. Others, Mahesh, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
वो अच्छे से उस क्लियर नहीं दिख रही.
आप बेटा उसको जूम कर लो जैसे महेश ने बोला है.
Yes, ma'am.
महेश just explain.
मैम हमें उधर डबल क्लिक करना होगा जिस क्वेश्चन पे हमें वो करना है, पढ़ना है.
मैम हो गई.
Okay.
Everyone was delighted to see the iron chest because they thought that now the shepherd would be caught and they would be proved correct in front of the king.
यस बेसिकली दे वर डिलाइटेड. डिलाइटेड का मतलब वो इतने खुश हुए आयरन चेस्ट देख के जब उसको बुलाया गया द शेपर्ड. दैट वाज बिकॉज वो खुश थे कि अब ये पकड़ा जाएगा. ही वुड बी कॉट एंड दे वुड बी यहाँ दे हैं बाकी गवर्नर्स जो जेलस गवर्नर्स है. दे वुड बी प्रूव्ड करेक्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द किंग. मतलब अब जो उन्होंने झूठ बोला था वो सही साबित हो जाएगा किंग के सामने. मतलब वो जो अच्छा इंसान था वो बदनाम हो जाएगा और वो लोग जो झूठे थे वो सही हो जाएंगे किंग के सामने. इसीलिए उन्होंने वो खुश हो रहे थे कि ये लेके आया है आयरन चेस्ट आज. ओके, थैंक यू. I hope others are noting down the answers. Yes, this sixth one, who is going to do? Mahek, are you there? Okay, Tanmay. Yes, Tanmay. Sixth, all the three parts you will be doing, Tanmay. Yes, first one.
What did the iron chest contain? Answer. The iron chest contained an old blanket only inside. Question number 2. Why
Very
did the shepherd always carry it? Answer. The shepherd always carried an old blanket in an iron chest because it was his oldest friend. He said that it will still protect him if any day the king takes away his position and power. Question Position
okay.
and power. Question number 3. Is it an example of the shepherd's humility or wisdom or both? Answer. Yes, it is an ideal example of the shepherd's humility, wisdom and goodness.
It is humility. Humility.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, human होता है ना, humility.
Humility.
Okay. हाँ, now read the second answer.
Yes, ma'am.
From the screen.
Answer. He considered the test his. Ma'am, screen is not visible clearly.
You double tap that your screen, it will zoom. What?
Yes, sir. He considered the chest his actual treasured and true friend. He knew that wealth and fame would come and go, but his actual treasure will always remain with him. Hence, the always carried it.
Hence, he always carried it. Remain. Okay,
Yes,
thank you. And was second one also you read? And the second is what you told was right. Okay, fine. तो आपको जिसका भी आंसर अच्छा लग रहा है, हाँ जी बेटा.
मैम आप अपनी वीडियो की जो क्वालिटी होती है ये सेटिंग से हो जाती है मैम, वो उसको बढ़ा लीजिए ना तो हम लोगों को भी सही से दिखेगी.
मैंने ये बेटे सबसे बड़ा साइज किया हुआ है.
मैम वीडियो की क्वालिटी जो सेकंड नंबर पे आ रहा है ना उस बटन से जाएगी.
सेकंड नंबर पे
मैम सेटिंग से.
मैम
सेटिंग से
वीडियो की क्वालिटी है वो आप थोड़ी और बढ़ा लीजिए.
बेटा वो तो YouTube का ही है,
मैम
हमारा तो है नहीं.
वो 144 मेगापिक्सल पे हो जाती है.
यस मैम.
अच्छा, मैं चेक करा लूंगी
अब
बेटा.
हो गई होगी.
Okay.
Didn't been to school because the complaints of the knew that wealth and fame would come and
Okay, now this is, we have discussed this. Okay, one last question is left. Say seventh one.
Can I read with that?
Yes, better.
How did the king reward the new governor? Ma'am, answer. The king rewarded the new governor by making him a much bigger State.
बेटा आप क्या बोल रहे हो? आपका मीनिंग आपको समझ आ रहा है? ही उसको स्टेट बना दिया उसने. He, first of all, you are supposed to use the past tense of reward. The king rewarded the governor by making him किसको? He rewarded him the governor of a much bigger province. एक बड़े स्टेट का उसको गवर्नर बना दिया. So you didn't tell the second governor word. Okay? Be very careful, वेदांश. आप 3-4 वर्ड अगर बीच में गायब कर दोगे तो आपके फिर कम मार्क्स आएंगे ना बेटा. आपका तो आंसर ही इनकम्प्लीट रहता है. And this is the 4th chapter. Please get serious. Almost the half the book is going to get over. Okay, now this is done. One second. Diksha, show it to you. Here there's a spelling mistake of this one. You आप लोग खुद इसको अपने आप देख सकते हो जब आपके पास टाइम मिले. NCERT का ये ऑफिशियल ग्रुप है. Okay? But there is no video. It's only audio.
The Shepherd's Treasure.
Officially हमको यही दिखाने को कहा गया, but I did not find it that good. And this here also the treasure spelling is wrong. Okay. So I'm back in. Yes. So this chapter is also over now. Fine. What we will do, we will start with the reading. Once again, I want to check it on YouTube. Sorry, on Tata Edge, what we have. The net is very slow today. The Shepherd's Treasure. There once lived a poor shepherd in a village in Iran. Today only this, it's giving so much of problem, the net. Educated, he was wise and friendly.
advised people on how to face their problems bravely and with common sense. He became so famous for his wisdom that even the king of Iran decided to meet.
It's not functioning properly today. I don't know what's wrong. We'll do one thing. We'll see this video the next time. Remind me. Okay? We have
Yes,
hardly
ma'am.
3 minutes. I thought that we'll be seeing this video in the end of Tata Edge, but is my voice clear, Mahesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Only that this previous video which I showed, that long one in which question answers was there, in that no interruption was there, na?
No, ma'am. The instruction was just in that video of the role play.
Okay, okay, then I close that also. Okay. Yes, my ma'am, your voice is clear. Yes, but I know only that the internet is giving a lot of problem. Here only Airtel functions, nothing else. Okay. Now it's almost time. Be careful. Do these question answers in your copy. Okay. And next time we will start with the 4th chapter of supplementary. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
so we
Devanshu is
don't
telling.
have to write summary.
No, better. If you want, you can write on your own.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, next time we will discuss the question answer of chapter 4.
No. First, we'll do the reading of chapter 4.
Ma'am,
Yes,
fourth
ma'am.
chapter is the old clock shop.
Yes, yes. Okay. Okay. Sairam, beta, it's time also. Take care.
Sairam, ma'am.
Saira ma'am,
Saira ma'am.
Saira
can
ma'am.
we leave?
Saira ma'am. Saira ma'am.
Saira ma'am.
Saira ma'am.
Ma'am, can we leave?
Yes, yes, beta.